This is the video guide that will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the site allmtt.com. This is a fake Windows support alert. It quotes this fake Windows support number +1 801 471 0525. The pop-up is also titled as Windows Defender Security Center Warning. But you should not trust these pop-ups. They are totally faulty and you shouldn't interact with them. Such pop-ups are not related to Windows or Microsoft, so don't trust any deceptive information that they report. I would recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus in order to detect and delete any other possibly hidden threats from your computer. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin investigating your system in order to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as Anti-Ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.